In this video I will tell you if the Williams-VIX bottom finder strategy is actually useful for crypto trading or not. The indicator and strategy was originally presented in this video, which claims that this indicator detects bottoms with a 99% accuracy for signals. I have tested this strategy on 50 crypto trading pairs on multiple time frames and with a large time frame to get the best impression of the performance of this strategy. I will also tell you where you can download this TradingView strategy Pine script that I currently show you on the screen, so that you can add this to your own chart and start trading this strategy right away. So let's get started. The strategy is using the following indicators. The Williams-VIX indicator, here one that is based on the original Bill Williams calculations, and also the stochastics is used for this strategy. The entry rules are simple and as follows. Enter a long trade when the VIX indicator shows a green signal, because this indicates a potential market bottom due to high volatility. Then look at the stochastic indicator and ensure that the blue line crossed into the oversold levels. For your entry, wait for the blue stochastic line to cross above the orange line and make sure the candle has closed when this crossover happens to confirm the signal. And once all these signals align, you can enter a buy position. Then place your stop loss slightly below the last swing low and set your take profit at 2 times your stop loss, which is a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. This strategy can use for downtrend reversals, but also for trend continuations during minor pullbacks within an uptrend. But if there is enough interest in the comment section, I will make sure a futures trading version will be available as well. You can already see many crypto pairs are already favoring this trading strategy, like Binance Coin, Bong, Ethereum and Bitcoin. But there are also pairs that are not responding well to this strategy, like Polkadot for example. And there are pairs where this strategy doesn't give you any signal at all. So this already gives us important information about the applicability of this trading strategy on crypto pairs. Not every pair is suitable for this trading strategy. So you will have to do some research to find the best pairs to trade with. Now another thing I always do is to do a rigorous backtest of a suggested trading strategy to see how it performs over 50 crypto pairs, which time frame responds best to this strategy, and also to use a large time range over multiple years to get the best impression of possible future performances. However, note that backtesting is only a hypothetical exercise and performances from the past do not guarantee future success. So you will have to take this warning seriously if you want to do actually trading with this strategy. I have created an algorithm that reflects the rules of the trading strategy so that I can use this with the backtesting engine and then later also with the trading bot. This code has been checked against the trading rules of the video with the help of multiple language models to verify that the algorithm code closely resembles the original trading rules. According to all these models, this was the case. So I assume that the backtest will closely resemble the actual trading strategy's performance in the past. But again, remember that past results are not indicative for future performance. Now after these large backtests, the results of this strategy are somewhat of a disappointment to say the least. Only higher time frames have somewhat positive results, but lower time frames did not. I couldn't even do backtest on time frames lower than 30 minutes because of the hefty calculations this trading strategy caused. And after looking at the backtest report, I conclude that the stop loss rule is the cause of most losses. Most of the time the bad results come from trades that get entry signals based on the rules, but markets drop further and the trades then will hit their stop loss. Especially when the overall markets turn bearish, this strategy is prone to hefty losses. The market dips but then keeps dipping after the entry signal, which caused the trade to lose. As for the applicability of this strategy on crypto pairs, we already saw on TradingView that not all pairs were favorable for this trading strategy. This automated backtest also confirms this. Only 29% of the 50 pairs tested respond favorably, which means that they have a positive result when trading the strategy, but the overall profits are meager. Overall, you can say that this strategy works if you do your homework and only trade the pairs that work well. With this knowledge in mind, I added 2 extra indicators and changed the exit rule in this trading system. This made the strategy 2.5 times more profitable while having 2/3 less trades. The drawdown was also cut down by more than 50%. To distinguish between bullish and bearish periods, I added the EMA 50 to the entry rules and added a rule to only buy when the close price is above the 50 EMA. Secondly, I added the MACD indicator to the exit rules. I will not use the 1:2 risk reward system, but now wait for exiting the trade until there is a MACD crossdown under the MACD signal line. Now I have to admit that this makes the strategy wait much more for a correct signal, and it most probably stay dormant, but at least the gains were kept much better than the original version. And maybe with some more tweaks, this strategy can catch more and better quality signals. But this is outside the scope of this video. You as the viewer are invited to check out which additional settings or rules make this strategy even better. Please add these to the comment section below so that everyone can benefit from this knowledge. To round this video up, the Williams VIX indicator seems to be a good addition to your indicator arsenal for developing strategies that make use of detecting market bottoms or temporary pullbacks. The initial strategy proposed in the original video provides a good baseline, but adding additional rules and indicators might make the strategy an even better performing one for higher profits in the future. In any case, I hope you learned something today and got inspired to work further on the strategy. And if you did, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. In the meantime, I will test another YouTube strategy in the future. This is it for me now, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.